Kylie Jenner needs to watch what she's posting to Instagram. We're gonna have to tweet Caitlyn about this. Sia just dropped a new music video. I don't know if my heart is ready. Maddie Ziegler is working me out.
Hello.
We have a situation.
Don't pop your tongue. We'll be right there.
Ladies, we have a daddy to slay.
Yes!
My mom sends the worst Snapchats.
We hear you've been texting and talking.
Well, Ariana Huffington tweeted back at me, so...
Your Facebook profile pic is in front of the I love you so much wall? What's wrong with you?
I just deleted all your Grindr conversations. You're forever alone now.
I just saw all your naked pictures and no complaints.
iPhone 4 disgusts me.